Hello people, this is Barry from Elliott Wave. Welcome to the gold analysis, and today we're just gonna try and see what could be happening using Elliott Wave Theory as always. Now, before we get started, guys, thank you very much for the new subs and the likes. So you guys keep it coming, keep subscribing, keep leaving likes, help me get to 3,000 subs ASAP, so I can bring more content to you guys. So it's a win-win. I'm happy, you're happy, and we're all happy. Now, all right, so what is going on with gold? So the honest answer is I wish I knew, right? So as usual, we try to give an educated answer to that question. So as usual, I say every time, gold's been around since, since almost society exists. So 1, 2, 1, 2, can this be a wave 3 of whatever degree, and this wave 4? Yes, it's possible, blah, blah, blah. What matters is this is the largest correction. This appears to be the second largest. Hence, this most likely is one less degree compared to this one. That's the whole point. Okay, so now the question is, okay, we're in this wave 1 and 2. We have potentially a bottom here, upside. Is this upside a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, and are we in primary wave 3, or are we still in intermediate 5 of primary 1? Right? That is a good question, don't you think? Sorry, I'm one in man. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, what are the differences? Well, obviously, what changes is that if we are in this wave 5, which ideally I see a top at 3,000, then we could expect a larger pullback, even all the way back down to 2,000. If not, then the pullback should be smaller. This one here, and we could potentially see further upside targets, and then here just continue higher. So different type of pullback. Hope that makes sense. All right, so you may have, at this point, if you're still watching, thank you. You might as well subscribe and leave a like, but you may be wondering, okay, Barrett, but which one is it? Good question, my friend. Once again, if I knew the answer, I wouldn't be here, right? So what I can say is, I think we can stick to this count, but knowing that, to be fair, I think both are valid. I don't prefer one to the other. So at that point, we can take a look at what is going on here and try to get a better, let's say, more accurate forecast for the shorter term. So bring down the counts as we explored last week. I guess my best attempt to this count is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 4. Now, let's investigate what is going on here, okay? So, in here, by the way, this would be a triangle as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, we do not have a validation. So at this point, in order for be a triangle still in the making, so today is Sunday, what is it? 19th of January, we need to do this. And that will confirm the triangle. If tomorrow the market opens, by the way, tomorrow the US market is closed, so you might expect less volatility than usual, and we do this, then it opens up two scenarios, okay? Number one, some sort of an A, B, and C. And at that point, if that's the case, we could be in this wave 4 and this wave 3 could be in place, okay? I should probably make two separate counts, shouldn't I? I probably should. Do we do it now, people? Yeah, let's do it now. Okay, so 3 not done. Do we have a 3 done? Yes, it's this one. Perfect. Lovely. Okay, so let me just wait. Let me just call it 3 done. Okay, people. So at this point, then this could be the count, as you can see, was in line, and then downside for this wave 4. Okay, now what do we like about this kind? Well, as I showed last time, if I'm not mistaken, we are at the 1.618. Yes, so very common wave 3 target, 1.618 times the length of wave 1. Textbook Elliott Wave 3. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I shouldn't. I know I'm not. A, B, and C, and then here we would, if we were to do this, we would end near the wave 4 on 1 less degree. Another very usual Elliott wave tendency, right? Wave 4 will oftentimes end near the wave 4 on 1 less degree. So at this point, you may ask, okay, Barrett, but which one is it? You know the answer. If I knew, I wouldn't be here. But I'm trying to be here to present you the viable options, right? Because if you only look at one way, you're gonna get burned. You're either gonna get lucky or you're gonna get burned. At least this way, you know that both are possible. Now, let's take a look at some volume. So volume is quite interesting. As you can see here, we've been moving higher with quite the increase in volume. So it almost suggests like this could be, it looks like the bulls are in here, or is it the bears? Something is happening, for sure. Yeah, it almost looks bullish, to be honest, because we moved higher with increasing volume. So another way to look at this is, what if like the triangle was something like this, basically. So, oopsie. A, B, C, D, and E. Ugly, yes, I agree. But possible, especially as we bottom here and then we moved higher with increasing volume. So I guess that's, and this will be obviously here. So I guess that's also possible. And 28. Yeah, 28 is very important level. At this point, you need to have additional upside confirmation support on 27 too. So $2,720. Let me draw a line right here. This would be, as you can see, it did act as resistance before. Why this number? Well, you got 72 is halfway between 65 and 80, and the 65 is God, I forgot, but yeah, just trust me on it. 72 is a very important level. So to have an upside confirmation, I would like to see test support on top of 72, and the next target would be 2800. All right, people, what else can we say about gold? Not much, really. I was looking at euro dollar. It looks like we might see a at least a pullback soon as we approach lower grounds. Yeah, I would expect some sort of a turn soon, which could also be, yeah. Let's see, people. But again, any questions, let me know down in the comments. And there's the Discord if you want to join. And I would really appreciate it if you leave a like, subscribe if you're not. And I will see you in the next update. Thank you.